How to hide followers in Instagram from friends without private account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can hide our followers on Instagram from friends without any private account. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to open your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, I want you to go to your profile and look up to your followers list. Here, just go to your followers. And let's say I want to hide followers from friends. So what I can do is just tap on the follower of my follower, and here just tap on the three dot at the top, you can see. So in order to do, what we can do is just restrict this account. You can see the very first option called restrict. Just tap on restrict this account and you can see your account has been restricted. That person's account has been restricted. So if that person tries to look up onto my Instagram, that person won't be able to see my followers. So in that way, you can hide your followers on Instagram from friends without any private account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.